In this video, we show how to define a web application as test object in QFTest in just a few steps in order to be able to start directly with test development. To do this, we open the Quickstart Wizard either via the Extras menu or via the magic wand button in the QFTest toolbar. This wizard guides us through the steps that request all the information required to start the application to be tested. The first page contains some general information and we can proceed directly. On the second page, we can specify the type of application to be tested. For testing web applications, we can choose between two options here. Option 1, testing a normal browser for classic web applications that are used on the desktop. And option number 2, testing in an emulated mobile browser for web applications designed for mobile devices. I opt for the first option and press Next. The next step is to enter the URL where the web application can be accessed. We can type this, or like me, we can just paste it from the browser. In the next step, we define the specific browser to be used for the test. QFTest supports all common browsers such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, Opera, and also headless variants for unattended test execution. Let's go for Edge here. And now I have entered all the mandatory information and click Finish. Now I get a summary of the data I have entered. On the left-hand side of the wizard, we can see that there is still a range of optional information that can be configured, such as the proxy settings, if these are required in your company network. In our case, however, nothing else is necessary. I can therefore complete the wizard by clicking Finish. As a result, I get a setup node in the extra sequences of my test suite with respective start and synchronization nodes with the data I have entered. In order to execute the preparation now, I can select it and click on the Replay button in the QFTest toolbar. On the left side, we see that the browser has been started and the web application is displayed. In QFTest, the red record button is active, which means that QFTest is now connected and ready to record and replay actions. We will show you how to do this in the other videos on this channel or in detail in the QFTest tutorial provided. QFTest provides an optimized recognition algorithm of web elements for a wide range of web frameworks such as Angular, React or Vue.js. A complete list of supported frameworks can be found in the QFTest manual as well as on the website. Try it out directly. You can download the latest version of QFTest directly from our homepage and get a free trial license immediately. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. We wish you lots of fun and success with test automation using QFTest.